You ready? What are we talking about?
Waiting for my sister. Okay.
What do we talk about?
I don't know. We're gonna talk about anything.
Okay. Well, we're gonna eat and wait more fun.
Welcome back to my channel, Bunny Love. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, Bunny Love, where you are loved and not judged. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button if you want to be notified every time I post a new video.
Period.
So today I have my sister Miush, you guys already know her, and a special guest, one of my best friends from high school, Sandra.
Hi, everybody.
And as you can see in the title, we're eating birria tacos today. This is how they're looking like. Yummy, yummy. They're still hot. We just made it. And we have cilantro, we have onion, we have salsa, we have lemon. And what are these called? The drinks?
Jarritos.
And we have jarritos. Sandra's has the pineapple. I have the guava. And my sister has the Jamaica flavor. Let's just dive right in, and then whatever we say is whatever. And excuse my finger.
Me too.
It's fucked up. It's whatever. Okay, I'm ready. Yummy.
We're gonna add some salsa in mine.
Oh my gosh, look at that cheese. Oh shit, I didn't add anything either. I'm about to though. I just need it.
Cilantro.
Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a little plate so you have to put down size.
We don't need it.
No, yeah, I'm good.
Can you get napkins though? Thank you, sis. Get some onion. Tell me how you like the salsa.
It looks and smells delicious.
Thank you.
Yeah, look.
How does it taste?
It's so good. It's just so spicy.
I know, right? I should have put more water, maybe. I don't know. But I still want some.
Go easy on the salsa. It is spicy. It's so good.
Fire. Yoshi, have you tried these tacos? Yoshi, the sauce is really spicy.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Look how much she put
Yeah, she put a lot
on her plate. They're fire. And I know Sandra was so hungry. She got here at like, it was 4 hours ago. And we I just finished cooking.
But it was so worth the wait.
I'm happy. I'm happy I got to feed her. I haven't seen her in so long. I missed her. And it's nice to just like go over your friend's house and just have a good home cooked meal. I never had these. This is good.
Plus, it was somebody's birthday. So,
I had a really nice birthday. I had a really like loving birthday. I felt so much love. I kept crying.
that's so nice.
I cried a lot this weekend.
Oh,
Off of love.
that's always the best.
It felt amazing.
Yes. So glad you're happy.
Okay. We're back in action. Sorry guys, my phone lost storage and yeah. It's really hard to try to do YouTube with just your phone because I have so much videos backed up and editing takes so long and I have such a full day every day. Like with my kids, with the baby and everything, so I just take a long time to start editing.
Yeah, I gotta tell Sephora to drop the recipe.
I'm just gonna say that I got it off of Mo Money's channel on YouTube. So just type in Mo Money and type in her birria taco recipe. And that's exactly what I did. And it's fire. It's fire.
It's so good.
I'm happy. I'm happy I got to feed you. All we did in high school, me and Sandra, was
Well, all I did was smoke and eat.
smoke and eat. I don't know if you wanted me to say that, because sometimes when I do a video with somebody, I always have to ask, what do you want to leave out or say, because I'd be cautious of other people. But for me on my channel, I say everything. I don't care. It's my channel. Fuck it. And if you don't like me, don't watch me. I
Period.
say and do whatever I want. But yeah, all we did was smoke and eat. That was our relationship in high school.
It was a good one too.
I forgot about the lime. Is it? Okay, on point. No, I think the sauce is a little. You just gotta use a little.
I think it was just the first cake, but then it's good, so good. Jarritos are always bomb too.
Jarritos.
Look at
Jarritos.
you rolling them R's.
I'm trying, girl.
Sephora can never speak Spanish, but you always got her jamming to Spanish music. I'll be like, do you know what they're saying? She'll be
No.
like, no.
The only time I ever know what a Spanish song is talking about is when I watch the videos. And I was sitting there like, okay, like EAO. I was like, okay, so he was cheating on, the wife was cheating on his best friend, and then okay, I know perdón means sorry, so he said sorry at the end. He was trying to explain. I just tried to put the video together. That was hilarious.
Yeah. So cute.
I'm learning though, like that's one of my life accomplishments is to know Spanish.
Yeah.
Fluently.
Me too. And French.
And French.
You're gonna get rich stuff. I'm gonna get a record deal.
And sign language. I'm learning sign.
I just know how to do my name.
I don't. I'm trying to learn the alphabet part.
Maybe I love you.
And this is, are you deaf?
Oh yeah.
Ouch.
And this is like,
I know this one.
sign slowly. If like you trying to make them slow down because you're not that good yet. So just a little.
Excuse me, babe. Lo siento. My mouth hurts so bad. So, can you go with me when I get surgery?
Yes. It's not surgery.
It hurts.
It's just a procedure to pull your wisdom teeth out. This is when I get surgery.
I'm scared. I feel like when they put me to sleep, I'm never gonna wake up or something.
You have to record that. She's gonna be all loopy.
I don't want them to overdose me.
If anything, they can underdose you because you smoke.
You're so right. Because when I got my wisdom teeth pulled out, that was when I used to smoke. And I sat there and I'm like, this is not going to do shit to me. Fuck no. It gets you get put right to sleep.
Right.
And then when you wake up, you're all loony. Like, you're not even making sense. My mom was laughing at me because my mom came. She was laughing at what I was saying. I was calling the doctor cute. I was like, he's so cute. To my
Who
mom.
you?
What the hell?
And he make
So
money.
you gotta go with me so I can know what the hell I'm saying.
No, someone has to. You can't drive.
No, you can't drive after.
Yeah. So I'll go with you.
I just want to be safe.
Oh my god, it's hard when I make Mexican food because I like to go to the legit Mexican market. And it's so hard to communicate. Like, And it's not only because I don't know Spanish. I feel like they be so rude because I don't know Spanish. Like, why are you being rude to me? Like the Mexican market. Like they don't. It's like they don't want to try to
Spanish
understand me. Okay, the Spanish market. I always type in Mexican market. Not because I'm thinking everyone that this is Mexican, but when I make Mexican food, I always think it's separate. But it's like they don't even want to try to understand what I'm trying to say.
No, they're mean. They're mean.
Like
sometimes.
you're so mean, and it's so hard to find things and stuff. No, the meat I was supposed to use was Dios Mío. I'm not sure I was asking if you knew what it was. They never have it. They're always out of it.
Damn. Must be good.
I guess. You're in pain.
Yes, constantly. And then when I wake up, it's the worst. My throat feels like it's choked. I can't open my mouth. My tonsils hurt. Like, what the fuck? I be like, when I brush my teeth, I gotta go in slow. What's crazy is the Jay's teeth was hurt. I mean, my teeth hurt.
I'm so grown.
It was much better than I made it last time.
So good.
Because the dipping sauce, I didn't make it with the tomatoes last time. I made it like the dipping sauce that I used to cook it. And it is better. It does make a difference, the tomatoes. You're getting full?
I am full. I
How
got
do you-
one more.
How do you like your braces? Do you like them?
They're good, but I always feel like I have something in my teeth.
Oh, you got only the top.
Yeah, because I have to push them back.
Okay. Oh, you had an overbite.
Mm-hmm.
And my sister had an overbite.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but I feel like it's better to fix your own teeth than to get fake ones. Only because teeth are very important and a lot of people take them for granted. And then when you're older, you got no teeth.
Right. Facts.
Or like you can't drink something cold because it hurts your back teeth. It's bad.
Teeth are very, very important.
And dental care is very, very expensive.
It is.
It is.
Like they want you to have bad teeth because it's like an arm and a leg, especially if you don't have insurance. Being an adult sucks.
Don't tell me about it. I'm lucky I took that one. I'm not telling everybody.
These are so good.
Makes your throat hurt. Not the food. Your gum. It's like it's clogged. Right here.
Uh-huh.
And it's connected to the food.
The cilantro and everything put together is so
It's
much
amazing.
flavor.
You know what? You know what I was doing? I was dipping the taco, right? And I was putting it on the cilantro and the sauce, and I was eating it like that. So good.
It's so much flavor.
It's amazing.
Oh my god.
Chocolateira.
I'm done.
Chocolateira.
Fire.
Fire, guys.
How's yours?
It's disgusting.
What is it called?
What?
I thought it was gonna taste like the Jamaican colas, but it didn't. It's gross.
The Jaritos.
Tajaritos. My sister got the Jamaica flavor.
Yeah, it tastes different.
My favorite is Mandarin. It's so bomb. See, I told you it's disgusting.
I don't like that flavor.
Me either.
Mandarin?
Does not taste like Jamaican cola.
What's Mandarin?
Like cuties, but made into a drink. And it's really good. It's pretty sweet. Not sweet, but it's good.
But I never thought cuties taste different from an orange. I never thought it did.
I think they do. They have a little bit of a
Is
difference.
it a little sweeter?
I don't know what it is, but it just I can taste
Something.
the difference. I'm gonna just be me.
I'm done.
Me too. It's so good.
It was so bomb. Was it bomb?
It was amazing.
Okay, this video, I'm gonna end this video out. There's not much to say or do. Okay, thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, I'm gonna put their socials in the bottom. I mean, their
My social security?
Instagram.
media, social media is in the bottom. If you guys want to follow Sandra or my sister. Okay, love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.